My name is Brandy Ferrens, and I'm a 313A refrigeration and air conditioning systems mechanic with a Gas Fitter 1 license. Basically, I'm an HVAC mechanic. So my interest in HVAC began actually as a second career. Like a lot of women, I wasn't pushed to the trades outside of high school. So I went to university first and found that I was not suited to sit at a desk. So after a little bit of soul searching, I actually decided to pursue the trades in my late 20s, and specifically HVAC because I really felt, living, especially in Canada, we need heating and cooling all year round. So what's cool about the trades is apprenticeship is that third pathway post-secondary. So that's kind of one of the cool things is right out of high school with a diploma, you're basically getting paid to go to school. So for me, I've been able to teach at a local college, and I'm also a mentor for women in skilled trades as well. I was probably only working at my first job, not even a year, and I had someone approach me and say, hey, I have a friend, they have a daughter, would you mind talking to her? She's kind of considering a career in the skilled trades. And that's really what mentoring looks like. So I was like, sure, I'll have a chat. I can tell you don't really need a gym membership when you enter the skilled trades. The strength will come. There's this stigma that, maybe you are uneducated. Well, my license took me as long as it takes someone to get a master's degree. So there's a ton of education that goes into becoming a licensed journey person. Really, all you have to do is get a job to be an apprentice. So that's what I did. I just went out knocking on doors. And that's when I first realized that my gender was going to be an issue. What I learned along the way is that we can all do the same job, we might just do it a little bit differently. So I move heavy things differently than my male counterparts, and I just really learned how to use my strengths and not focus on my weaknesses. And when I showed up and I just was there to do the job and I didn't think about being the different person on the job site, it was easier to push through for that as well. Another rewarding part is that real life transferable skills. So I do all my own work up north on my cabin. Everyone always wants to know, financially, it's been very good to me. And I haven't met a woman yet that's in this industry that isn't thriving. So if you're thinking about it, I say go for it.